Concurrency of medians of a triangle. The medians of a triangle intersect at a point that is 2/3 of the distance from each vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. We call this the 2/3 rule. So let's go ahead and label our medians of this triangle. Our first median is going to go from C to the midpoint of the opposite side here, and we'll call that E. Our next one is going to go from A to the midpoint of the opposite side here, and we'll call that D. And our last median is going to go from B to the midpoint of our opposite side here, and we will call that F. And they all intersect at a point right here, and we'll call that point P. So we can say if P is the centroid of triangle ABC, then we know that AP, which would be the distance from here to here, equals 2/3 of AD, which would be the distance of this entire segment, A to D. So this little portion here, from here to here, is 2/3 of this entire segment. We can also say that BP from here to here is 2/3 of the entire segment from here to here. So BP is 2/3 of BF. And we can also say that CP is 2/3 of this entire segment, CE.